Hello friends, my name is Saurabh Dubey and today I am going to show you how to use 3D tags in Illustrator and how can you convert your 2D tags in 3D, right? So now I am going to show you how to do this, and it's very simple. And just click on your text tool and write here something like hello world, right? And now I'm going to increase the font size here 60. That one is my 2D text, right? Now I have to convert this text in 3D format. So just first click on select and here select your element like this one text and go to effect, and here you will find 3D option and texture and weather. Select this one, and now we are going to see the live preview. So click on preview option and move this rectangle, and here you will find our text will be changed, right? You can see that one is our 3D text, and just click on OK button. And if you want to change your color of the text, change the color of your text, you just select this color and you can select this, and here a lot of option color. And now I'm going to export this 3D text as a PNG format. So simple file, export as, select PNG, and here you can write like 3D text and save this, and just select the screen high and click on OK. And now go to your desktop and here you will find that one is your 3D text, right? That one is transparent 3D text. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.